Okay, so Evan's been doing this for a while. As you can see, he's got quite the car show going on here. He goes over to the thing, picks out his car.
Wow.
Did you find one? And then places it ever so carefully on the row.
Oh.
Where are you going to put that one? Where do those go? Oh, where does it go? Where does it go? Right there? Alright. Good job. You going to get some more cars? Oh, is that one out of spot? Alright. It goes there? Does it go there? Is it your OCD tendencies coming through like your mama? Huh? He's gonna go get another car. A lot of cars. Oh, need one right there. Evan, what'd you find? Another car? That one goes right there. All right. Good job, buddy.
Cool car show.